Hi, beloveds. I want to talk to you about building your own dreams, or you can get paid to help someone else build their dreams. So this is a leadership tip. So why do some people seem to be able to always get promoted, get the best jobs, know the right people, or otherwise get all the good karma at work? It's because you're either achieving your goals or working for someone else to achieve theirs. There's a black man named Farrah Gray. He was named as one of the most influential black men in America by the National Urban League's Urban Influence magazine and recognized by Ebony magazine as an entrepreneurial icon. Business mogul and best-selling author, I could go on and on. So anyway, he says, and I quote, "Build your own dreams or someone else will hire you to build theirs." Okay? I can't agree with him more. In my 7-week Love Career Freedom program I'm launching in March, I share details about how you can build your own dreams. Building our own dreams results in independence, joy, financial freedom, all that good stuff. And so in my program, I also explain and lead you through my formula for how you can find others who share your dream. So when they hire you to build their dream, you're building your own at the same time for a really true win-win. So FYI, the early bird registration rate ends February 20th for my program, and then the investment doubles. It doubles, okay? So February 20th, after that, it doubles. And then the program starts March 18th. So ask yourself, are you achieving your goals or working for someone else to achieve theirs? Think about it. When your head is down, you're working harder and harder, you're missing what's going on around you because your head is down. You're missing what some people call the bigger game or, what's out in the open. But what's significantly impacting the workplace can be hidden. So being a great leader starts with leading yourself. To self-lead, you need self-awareness, clarity, and a personal mission and vision. Being a great leader continues with you achieving your own goals. And keep in mind that working harder will not move you forward. Asking those in charge to give you a chance will not move you forward. Getting more education will not always move you forward. Not getting involved in workplace politics so you can fly below the radar, that's not going to move you forward. So how do you move forward? How do you grow as a leader? It's simple, but not easy. First, starting today, show up as the leader you want to be. Second, starting today, be the leader you wish you had. Third, remember that leadership, deep, authentic leadership, is always an action. It's not a role, it's not a title, it's not determined by your salary. Leadership is an action. So act like the leader you are becoming. Take actions like those you envision your best, ethical, compassionate, informed self would take. Act like the leaders you wish you had. Act like the leaders and mentors who you respect and who you are inspired by. So as you're starting to act and do all of this, something is going to click. And when that clicks, you are no longer just following the inspirations of other leaders. You are becoming a leader in your own right, with your own way and style. And when that happens, embrace it and be confident. Leadership is an action, and being a leader is a never-ending but honorable story. All right, till next time, take care, you all. Bye-bye.